Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying you have the right permissions and the exact subscription ID. Without access, you cannot open a ticket. Once you have subscription and resource ID and a clear timeline of the error, sign into the Azure portal and open Help Plus Support. Select New Support Request, choose problem type and severity, and pick the affected subscription. This early accuracy speeds triage and routes your case to the correct engineering group. You now fill out the support form carefully, describe how and when the issue occurs and include exact error codes. Then select the appropriate severity. Do not understate impact because response times differ by severity. Attach logs and traces directly in the form or reference a secure storage location. These artifacts let engineers reproduce the issue. Once done, review contact preferences and preferred language. So you finish by monitoring the case, check portal notifications, and reply quickly when engineers ask for details. Make sure to test any suggested fixes in a non-production environment first and confirm results in logs. If progress stalls, politely request escalation and reference the case number and timeline. Escalation triggers senior engineers. One troubleshooting tip. If the portal is unresponsive, use Azure CLI or PowerShell to collect resource diagnostics and attach them to the case to keep momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.